Hello, everyone. We are Team Clarity Callout. We built because we noticed something dark. Every step we shop and every time we scroll through a feed, we are being nudged, pressured, and brushed. And the worst part, we never noticed it happening. Clarity changes that altogether. It's a Chrome extension powered by Claude that watches the web with you and calls out manipulation in real time, out loud, and also with a little attitude. What's the problem? So we are trying to solve the problem pipeline. It has $4.5 trillion of online commerce runs on psychological pressure tactics, which has countdown timers, then resets, stock warnings on items with thousands of units, social proof numbers that may not be even real, but we are bound to getting hallucinated with those. And study shows 87% of users can't identify these tactics while they are experiencing them until today. No tool existed to flag them in real time. The manipulation is invisible by design, and that's exactly what we are here to fix. The solution here I propose it detects manipulation patterns as they appear on the page. It translates them into plain human language using any LLMs, not a warning label, but the thing a sharp friend would whisper before you click. And it surfaces a card that creates a small intentional pause and then it disappears. No clutter, no irony of being another app that hijacks your attention. It informs you and gets out of the way. What architecture we have built through. So under the hood, it's a three-step process, and the content script scans every page continuously using CSS selectors and rescans the DOM updates. So dynamic content like flash banners and live viewer counts get caught too. When a match fires the pattern, the site name and a snippet of the match text gets sent to our background service worker, which tells the LLM or the OpenAI about that, okay, it's going to return one or two sentences observation, witty, specific, under 40 words. That comment gets injected as an animated card. If the API is down, pre-written, callbacks fire instantly. The user never sees a blank state. What it comes along here is the demo, which we will be presenting. So let me show the patterns. And these are the five patterns which has been detected. We ship with the categories today: countdown timers, the ticking clocks that reset the moment you leave, false scarcity, only X amount or X number of things are left. So please buy ASAP. That are often applied to items with deep inventory. Social proof, viewer and buyer counts that create artificial competition, and FOMO is real. So today only or last chance, let's get it before a markdown of like 4 hours. And an infinite scroll detected after three dynamic content load because the feed have no bottom is itself a manipulation tactic. Adding a new pattern is one JavaScript object. The engine handles everything else. It's built to ship in hours. These are the front end layer and the intelligence layer we have implemented. In a world where manipulation is invisible and optimized, clarity callout makes it obvious and impossible to ignore those attentions which we need: awareness, education, and action. So here we are going to deep dive with the demo. So let me show you what this exactly actually looks like. We recorded this on three real sites: Amazon, Macy's, and Instagram. Watch the bottom right corner. On Amazon, you'll see, as you're seeing, the scarcity card, fire on only three left in stock. On here, as you on the website, here are Sheen with a witty outputs and the comments. Only three left. Here is the sample example. We intentionally kept the stack minimal with zero NPM dependency, no bundler, no framework. It loads unpacked in Chrome in under 10 seconds. Thank you so much.